This is a very short video about how to replace the plexiglass faceplate of a Bitte instrument cluster. The video is done under the assumption that you have watched console removal before. The video about the console removal that also includes how to get the instrument cluster out, and I assume that you have the instrument cluster in front of you on the table. I have here the dash of SC441. This is a car that has been vandalized, as you can see from that. The seats and everything was cut up. It was horrible. It happened 20 years ago, and I had this dash sitting on my shelf for ages. I now was finally able to get this from Germany, and I'm going to show how this is going to be replaced, which is fairly easy. That's why the video will be very short. There are two screws that need to be removed. It's going to be this one down here. And this one here. And now this can be just pulled out like this. And the new unit will go on by pushing these little tabs here into these. Or not, apparently it might be easier. Yes, it's easier to put it on like this first and then just clip them into place. And then the two screws go back in. Okay, so the part that needs to be switched over is the warning lights here. And it looks like this just clips out like this. And then the covers themselves. Just pulls out like this. Goes on the new part. Then this will go over this again. Okay, now it looks like this, and then it can be filled in here. Get the speedometer reset in. Okay, now it's sitting probably on the bottom, and then you clip this in place, this and this, and Here's one dash that I now don't have to cannibalize, but can be fully reused in another car.